Hello everybody, welcome to the Java tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the structure of a Java class. First, let us know the components of a class. Classes are the basic building blocks of Java. The components include the package statement, the import statement, comments, class declarations and definitions, variables, methods, and constructors. Let us see a class in action. Here is a simple class. The first line you can see here is a package statement. The second line is an import statement. Here are some comments. Next, we are declaring a class, and the name of the class is A, and we are going to define the class with some variables and methods. First, we have declared two variables. Then here is a constructor, and here is a method.
Let us see the package statement. Classes are grouped into packages. All Java classes are part of a package. A Java class can be explicitly defined in a named package. Here you can see we have defined the package name, and the package name is com.iit. Usually we always try to keep the same type of classes in the same package. In the file system, what we do, we always try to keep same type of files or folders in the same folder. We do the same thing in Java package. We keep same type of information, same type of classes in the same package. Now, for example, we can create another package here. We are creating a new package, and giving it a name com.iit.database, and in this class we can create a new class named dbconnect. In this package we can create another class dbhandler. What we have done here, we have created two new classes under the package com.iit.database. What we want is, we want both of these two classes will do all the database related activity. For this reason, we have put these two files in the same package. That is, these two classes will do the same type of functionality. So that's why we are using using this package, or keeping both of these files under the same package. That's not an error to put this class into another package, but we want both of them will do the same thing. So that's why we have put them in the same package. Another thing you can remember that there can be two classes with the same name in two different packages. Here you can see another package com.iit.tutorial. In this package we can also create another class called dbconnect, and it will not show any error, because two different packages can have two classes with the same name.
What is the benefit of this feature? The benefit is using this feature we can organize all the classes easily, because Java comes with thousands of built-in classes. and also there are hundreds of thousands of developers around the world, so they can create their own class with the same name, but they can put their class under different packages. Another important thing about the package statement is it must be the first executable line of a class, and it cannot appear inside or after the class. That is, if you write the package statement, it must be the first line. Let us run this program. We have written the main function. Now we can run this file. Here we can see the output. This program runs without any error. But if we move this line anywhere inside the class, it will not compile. The compiler is already showing an error and we cannot run this file. Even we cannot write this line after the end of the class. It will show the same error. So the package statement must be the first line of the class. Another thing is that if we want, we can omit the package statement. That is, if we don't write the package statement, it goes under the default package. That is, we can create Java class without any package name. I am not writing any package name here, so this class goes under the default package. That is, if we don't write the class package name of a class, it goes under the default package. Besides, if the package statement is present in the class, it must appear exactly once in a class. That is, we can write the package statement more than once. Here we can see the compiler is showing an error, so we can write only one package statement in a class. Now let us know about the import statement. Import statements are used to use class or interface from another package. It tells the compiler which package to look in to find a class. Let us see the import statement in our class. Let us create a new package and give it a name. For example, we are creating a new package and naming it my package. In this new package, I am creating a new class named class1. And in the my package, I am creating another new class, class2. class 1 and class 2 both are in the same package under the package my package. Now from this class 1 I am trying to create an object of class 2. Class 2, here I am running this program. Here we can see the output, call me in class 2. Call me in class 2, the print statement in the call me function of the class 2. Here we have created the object of class 2 without importing this class. We have not written any import statement here. We have not written any import statement here. Now we are creating another package. And the name of the package is your package. Creating a new class 3 under this package, and creating a method call me method in print line. Now from this class 1 I am trying to create an object of class 3. Class 3 now this the compiler is showing an error because the class 3 is not in the same package under my package. Here we have created class 2 object of the object of class 2 without importing it, but here we have to import the class 3 package because it is not under the same package. So that's why we have to import the we have used we need to use the import statement. Now if we import your package dot class 3, now the we can see there is no error and we can easily use the method of that class. Here we can see the output, call me method in class 3. So this is the that's why we have to import the class. Here is another thing to point that to remember that without importing this class here, we can also write the fully qualified class name here. Now look, we have removed the import statement and so it's showing an error. If we write the fully qualified class name, that is your package dot class 3, then there will be no error because now I am explicitly telling the compiler which class to use. But if we have to use this class several times, then it become very tedious to write this whole name again and again. It's very troublesome. um, so for this reason, without writing the fully qualified class name, we can import the class from the beginning. We can Here I am creating another method here, public void another method, and in this method I am creating an object of your package dot class tree. Here you can see, if I'm using the class tree method more than once, then I have to write the full class name with the package name. So it becomes so boring, very become very tedious. That's why, without writing, instead of writing the fully qualified class name, we can import that class. Now another thing to remember, the import statement follows the package statement but precedes the class declaration. That is, the import statement must be after the package statement but before the class declaration statement. You cannot reverse this order. That is, you cannot write the import statement before the package statement, because the package statement should be the first line of your program. Again, you can use wildcard in your import statement. How this is done? For example, if you have another class under this your package, I'm creating another class 4. I have created a class named class 4, and I am creating another method. Call me in this class 4 method. Now I'm going to use this class 4 in class 1. Class 4 as this class 4 is not under the same package of my package. This class 4 exists in different package named your package, so we have to import this class in here. Now the error has gone, and we can run this program. Here we can see all the output, but here we can use the wildcard. We have import class two classes from the same package, and if we use the wildcard asterisk, then we don't need to write the import statement again and again. So by using the wildcard, we are importing all the classes from a package. Now I have deleted the other import statement and only use the asterisk wildcard. Now I have told the compiler that I'm going please look into this package, your package, to find our class. Now let us know about the comments in Java. Comments in Java are not executable code. They can be placed anywhere in the code. There are two types of comments. One is single line or end of line comment, and this comment starts with double slash. The second type of comments are multiple line comments, and they starts with slash asterisk and ends with asterisk slash. Why do we need to use the comments? It makes code easier to read. Okay, now let us see some comments in our code. Here you can see we have already written some comments in this code. These are multi-line comments because this is start with slash asterisk and ends with asterisk slash. And I have already told that comments can be placed anywhere, but previously um, you know while knowing about package statement, I told that package statement must be the first line of your code. um, but the as comments are not executable code, they can be placed even before the package statement. This, so I'm writing a comment here. This is a comment before the package statement. This is another comment after the package statement. We can write comments anywhere in the code. This is a variable. This is also a comment. When we write the single line comment, the text till the end of line are ignored. So if we write the single line comment inside any executable code like this, it will become an error. So basically we write single line comment after the end of line to describe something. Similarly, we can write multi-line comments anywhere in the code. Between this line, everything will be ignored by the Java compiler. This is multiple line comments. Between the multiple line comments, we can write anything, even the single line comment. Now let us know about the class declaration. In simplest form, class declaration marks the start of a class, and a simple class can contain the keyword class followed by the name of a class. If we see it in the code, we can see there is a keyword class, and it is followed by the name of the class. This is the simplest form of a class. And you have to know another thing, that Java is case sensitive, so you cannot write the keyword class in another format like the C in capital letter like this, because these are some keyword or reserved word in Java. Now if we see in details the class declaration, the class declaration can contain several things. One is access modifier, another one is non-access modifiers, the class name, the name of the base class if the class extends some another class, all implemented interface if the class is implementing any interface, and the class body with variables, method, constructors inside a pair of curly braces. Here is an example of the class declaration, where the public is the access modifier, final is a non-access modifier, class is the keyword, my class is the name of the class, extends is another keyword. It has been used here because it is extending another class named my superclass. Then the keyword implements, and because it is implementing another interface, my interface. And inside these curly braces, we are writing all the variables, method and constructors. If we see it in the class, here we can write public class B extends my superclass implements my interface implements. And so this is a class declaration in details. Is public class B extends my superclass implements my interface. Now let us know about the classes in the files. Each Java class is usually defined in its own file. You can put more than one class in the same file. In that occasion, at most one class is allowed to be public. Public class need to be matched with file name. That is, this file is saved as b.java and the class name is b. Usually the file name and the class names are kept same. Look here, here is the class B is declared as public. In the same class we can declare more than one class. Class box. Here we can see no error. We can declare another class. Here the compiler shows no error. But if we declare any of these two classes as public, then the compiler will show error, because At most only one class can be public in a Java file. That is, as the file is saved as b.java, only the b class can be public. No other class in this file can be public. And that's all for this tutorial now. If you have any questions, please let us know. And congratulations, now you know the basics of the Java class structure. Thank you for watching.